We will win. A few years ago, a word added to our Spanish dictionary, inmencionante, which means the unlimited ability of self improvement. There is a debate called hype by media that Messi was born with talent and Ronaldo became everything by hard work. And after that, every sport expert and players too, repeating the same line, maybe without thinking. Malcolm Gladwell says in his research that people think that genius or talented people get too much advantage at the starting. Actually, the advantage is not that big. Every genius has to work for years in their field. Whatever we watch on screen, that was not their born talent. Actually, that is years of hard work in direction of talent. I repeat it again. Whatever we watch on screen, that was not their born talent. Actually, that is years of hard work in direction of talent. Messi says, I start early and I stay late, days after day, year after year. It took me 17 years and 114 days to become an overnight success. In Argentina, almost every kid wanted to play football. After all, Diego Maradona and World Cup affects the whole country. Lionel Messi is one of those kids whose dream is much bigger than his body. No one thinks that weak and small height kid is going to be a great footballer in the world. After 17 years, Messi playing for Barcelona and his country. Lionel Messi's father worked in a factory and his mother worked as house service. That doesn't matter, Messi's family was in financial problem, but there was no lack of passion. When he was small, he plays with his big brother and his grandma also come to watch him. His big brother and his friend don't want to play with a small kid, but by grandma's order, they have to. After that, by grandma's support, Messi also gets his cleats. He joined his first club at the age of 4 and the age of 8 knew well old boys. Now football is like breathing for Messi. He practiced for days and nights. His parents says that small Leo gets his inspiration and happiness from football. At the age of 10, his grandma's got passed. Messi was in shock. He didn't play for weeks, but by his father's support, he started again. After 1 year, there is a new problem. Messi's height doesn't increase by his age. Doctor says his body doesn't produce growth hormone, for which he has to be in treatment for 3 years, which cost $1,500 every month. His dad talked too many clubs, but at the time Argentina is in financially instability, so no club came forward for help. In that time, Messi's story reached Spain. Barcelona has a condition that if Messi is talented, then they are going to bear all expenses and Messi has to come Spain. Messi reached Barcelona with his family, where he amazed his coach, but in reality, it's not that simple. Messi has too many problems with his contract. His dad has to be employed in Barcelona. Messi's medical expenses are too much. Everyone has doubted for spending that much money, even he's so talented. Then one day his dad says to the coach that we have a very bad condition. You meet contract or we go somewhere else. Coach Charles Rex made that contract instantly. Now the pressure is on Messi, of his family. Now the family's future is on Messi's performance. Otherwise, back to Argentina with his dad and starts a new life. When he first visited the club dressing room, then everyone doubted his small physique. Those doubts converted into wondering after few sessions. Messi progressed fast in Barcelona system. Cadet, Juvenile A, Juvenile B, Barcelona C, and the first team, completed in 18 months. In between, his treatment is also going on. His coach says that 13-year-old Messi has that hard work and courage by which he can still improve in pain. after intense training all day, 1 week in left and second week in right foot. He is getting those injections every day. In 2003, 16-year-old Messi does his debut against Porto. His game gained attention from technical staff and everyone. By getting pushed, continuously falling, he goaled, beating 4 defenders and 1 goalkeeper. It is a lucky thing that Messi gets a chance to train with Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho says about Messi openly, that boy is going to do better than me. In the end, a practical thing. It's not like you achieved something and you are not going to fear and anxious. Messi always practiced hard to play with good physique defender. He also gained every advantage of his physique, but something get attached to our minds. In starting days, media call Messi La Pluca, which means the flea. Obviously, Messi doesn't like that. For many years, there are questions about his height. Today also, Messi stand side in team photo in which he doesn't look smaller. Messi says you can overcome anything if and only if you love something enough. If you like, then you are also going to like the Cristiano Ronaldo's work ethic. Play it now or save it for later. Do subscribe the channel. I am possible.